4th race of the 2023 Top Gun season. It is me, James, Autumn, and Olivia. Say hi.
I'm back there doing.
And I think Olivia's not happy right now.
She was doing all right earlier.
She's been doing great.
Yeah.
So we left Jacksonville about 8 o'clock this morning and got down here, got set up. We're a little short on crew. You'll notice Mom and Dad aren't here this week, so we're doing everything we can.
We've done it before. It's not ideal. It does suck,
but
it's doable.
Thankfully, we got Olivia here to supervise.
Yeah, she checked our tire out. She's like, this is a good tire right here.
Good tire, Dad.
So
James did a good job on it.
yeah, we did some tire work while we were setting up. The car's pretty much ready to rock.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
It's
still a new car, so we're still kind of feeling some stuff out.
We're gonna throw something at it tonight, hopefully.
Yeah. Not sure how many cars. I think there's probably some more on the way.
Yeah. But we're at I think they call it the 4th annual Sugar Bowl.
Yeah, I think so.
That's what it is. It's a bunch of IMCA Midwest mod lights.
Yeah.
They said that there was 70 cars to begin with. Now there's like 37. But sprint cars hold up the show. So anyways.
They're freaking 7,500 to win tonight.
Yeah. Anyways, we're going to get probably suited up here, get some heat in the engine, and then get rolling and ready for hot laps and then driver's meeting, which is weird. Hot laps, driver meeting, heats and stuff like that. He drew a 32, so we might be.
We'll see you in the back.
We'll see you, as always.
See you
But I think we got a GoPro, so that's gonna be good. Might do a little something different, as always, to keep it lively on this YouTube channel. But
yeah, bear with us.
Yeah,
so we're kind of light on crew today, so.
Hey man, if you made it this far, just like, comment, subscribe. All right,
Yeah.
and then let us know. Man, I don't.
Buy a hot dog decal.
Yeah,
$100. Get your name on the wing.
There's
for the rest
that.
of the year.
So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, buy a hot dog sticker, like you said, to help us out. Try and get y'all some merch. That helps out. But hot laps will be next. So hot laps are over. We got an hour to our heat start. My lights are qualifying, but the track was heavy, so literally just went out there for engine heat. That's all what that was. As he's shoveling down. Cute. I know. It's like when you go to a restaurant, like, how's your food?
Yeah, always.
It's good. But Autumn's enjoying herself at QP BB.
A quarter-pound beef butt.
We got Sean helping us out. Wearing the wrong shirt because we don't have any merch yet. What the hell was that? I wonder if it's in the video. Something hit me like my tit. What is it? Oh, damn. Anyways, so now we're just enjoying some
racetrack food. I got me a double cheeseburger.
going against the tides here.
Yeah, we'll have the hot dog roller in the trailer next race.
But I mean, this QPBB, quarter-pound beef bus, for those who don't know, QPBB, quarter-pound beef bus.
How do you live like that? It's like a beef bus.
Well, dude, this is not bad. This is the best hot dog I've had here.
Nice.
So far. So start off the season with
strong.
I don't know, man.
Strong.
I feel like if it got, like Sean and I were talking about it, a little bit more on the grill to get burnt a little bit, burn them a little bit would be good. But we're sitting at a 4 out of 5. Autumn.
How's your beef bus?
It's good.
Is it bussy?
It's bussing.
It's bussing. But
Yeah, no, it was so sloppy. We were out first. It was, like I said, I got nothing from hot laps. So we line up 4th, I think, in the heat. 4th in heat 2.
2 heats, 11 cars.
4 heats, 2 heats, 11 cars. Yeah, we line up 4th in heat 2. And we'll see what we can do from there. Not to be.
All right, dude. Keep your left sides down on the bottom if you can. If you can't, go up high.
Time to kick the tires and light the fire.
Hell yeah. Good defending.
Huh?
Good. You had to hold him down at the bottom.
I know.
He was trying.
I know.
That was good shit.
I heard him.
I know, good shit. Just gotta do that shit in the future. I ran so much, man.
2 hours later.
Yeah, seriously. So,
Still here.
yeah, it's 11 o'clock. They just got done running LCS. They still have an intermission, a V8 feature, V8?
V8 Warriors.
And then
I don't know, some class of street.
Top Gun. But
I'm tired.
This guy right here, in a heat race 2 of 5 cars.
Yeah.
I mean, we knocked out third, getting the spot. Got the GoPro on.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, things got a little dicey first couple laps. We've heard that I need to be a little bit more aggressive, so take a look at that.
making that happen.
First time I've ever had to cross the scales.
But, so this is where we gotta go.
So you finish top 3 in the heat, and you have to cross the scales, or top 5 in the feature. It's the first time I've had to cross the scales. It's kind of sad.
Speaking of top 5 for the feature, he's starting 5th in the feature.
Highest I've ever started in a feature.
So,
Autumn, how'd that go? Woo!
I'm gonna have to edit something crazy here now. But yeah, so I'm winding down, man. It's
Dude, I'm beat. I'm waiting for the adrenaline to take over when I strap back in, because that's about all that.
well, it's been like 2 hours since you got out of the car.
Yeah, something like that.
And I mean, we should have done a video when we as soon as we got out. The motions were a little bit better
Yeah.
than what they are right now.
Hell
But
yeah, hon.
anywho,
Got some new mufflers.
yeah. So we picked up a new headers.
So, slowly acquiring new parts.
Yeah. So
One
no more
thing-
rusty ones.
One thing, cause we're gonna be hammered down when I get off to get this car in here, so we can get off to the hotel. But big shout out to Sean and Mike for joining us this week and helping out, because Mom and Dad weren't able to make it. It was James, myself, Autumn, Olivia. Like I said, we had Olivia here to supervise, and she's sleeping on the job right now. But
Just can't get good help these days. You know what I'm saying?
everybody was awesome tonight so far. Autumn included. She's been holding it down.
Hell yeah. So we got 25 laps.
25 laps.
See what you can do.
Together. We'll crazy under there. Just in time. We'll long started over 4. Just wound down, look them over, crash.
So after, what, 6 hours of driving back north and, like, battling 40-mile-per-hour winds gusting and slapping the trailer, we made it safely back.
Yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, that was brutal. Man, but it's that time of the year in Florida where when you're headed north on 95 and all the NASCAR trailers are heading south, and there was a couple late model haulers and towers heading home. But other than that, last night, man, I don't even know about last night. Last night was just, it was a roller coaster of emotions.
A glass case of emotion.
Yeah, man, from going out in hot laps and slop, just getting heating the engine, and then going out to the heat race and having a good battle there for third, and eventually locking down third for our first top 3 in the heat.
Yeah, I had a little bit of a lazy start there in the heat and searched around a little bit, but got a little
aggressive.
Had a little determination there, and made sure I got my first top 3 in a heat race. So that was kind of cool, and we kind of changed the track. Watched the track change. Made some adjustments. We definitely went the right way.
Just not enough.
Which is fine. We knew we don't know what this car likes and doesn't like until we do it. So, but we definitely went the right way and started 5th. Ended up finishing 6th overall. Isn't terrible. But
5th, you got up to 4th.
Yeah, I got up to 4th.
Held that for a little bit. Caution, fell back because the car, you said it loaded up.
Yeah, I didn't lean it out enough while we were idling around, and it loaded up a little bit, so I didn't get the start that I wanted to.
So that allowed Luke Hill and everybody else that was behind you to settle on Danny Jones and them. So you rode around pretty much 6th the rest of that race.
Yeah, the thing is, like, 4th and 5th wasn't that far in front of me. Like, we were all 4th, 5th, 6th. We were all right there. So I mean, we any time before, we've never been able to say, hey, we could have comfortably run 4th if we could have got, things would have felt a little bit better, if I'd have driven this a little bit different. Normally it's, hey, cool, we got 9th or 10th. Now it was, hey, we feel like we could have hung on to 4th. So progress, right?
Right.
Yeah, the wind slapping. That was the worst drive ever.
That was horrible. Like, just all the way straight up, all the way
crap
till here.
I was white knuckling it in that truck more than I was in the race car last night.
So, but crazy thing is in I think 2-3 weeks from now, we're March 4th. We are back at Hendry County, and then we have like 2 weeks from after that race, and we have a 2-day show at EASTBAY, St. Patty's weekend. So our pits are going to be. Just come on over to our pits if you're, of age, 21 and up, preferably, to come have some roadies.
We'll bring some green food coloring and some bush lattes.
Some green beer, so. But we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. I'm ready to get home. He's probably ready to settle in.
Thanks for everybody that stopped by the trailer last night. That was fun. We had some kids coming up asking for signatures and hero cards and stuff like that. So that's awesome. We love that.
And also big shout out to Sean and
Mike
for helping out. We appreciate that. We did need that, and it was an extra set of hands helped out tremendously for us.
For sure.
And we do appreciate that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you guys. We're going to keep on pumping these out until we don't.
Top 5 next time.
Hopefully.